Hello, and thank you for being part of the community. I'm Alex Koloskov, founder of Photigy School of Photography. Let me tell you what you can expect on this coming holidays, on a Thanksgiving sale, on a Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all this week that starts on November 23rd. We have some major releases. And the most exciting is that we are moving to a new platform. Not everything, but step by step, a completely new platform that is free from all these issues that we had, way more secure, meaning that it will be one-to-one communication between you and the instructor. Nobody will see your work if you decided not to share it. And well, many things that we learned over previous few years. And we have already prepared a release for you, version 2.0 of the complete guide to product photography. And this is the most exciting. Why? Because we have added 18 more lessons to the program. The most advanced, the most creative lessons, shooting, post-production, plus 7 assignments. So you had, it was how much? 8 assignments before, now 7, 15 total. And the whole program now will take you up to 1 year to complete. Of course, you can do it faster, but if it's needed, 1 year with the direct communication between you and the instructor. Now I am confident that we can help anyone, regardless of the current situation, current knowledge, to become a professional product photographer in 1 year. Plus, we'll have a pro package, program plus pro club, all together for 1 year. And it's an amazing value. Again, you will save hundreds and hundreds of dollars on this. Wait for email with all the details. The sale starts Friday, 23rd. And talking about a new platform, we'll send you an invite to join it with the instruction, with the demo of how things are going on over there. Plus, the release of brand new course, Watch Photography for Professionals. Have added bonuses to it, and it's being released on a new platform. So it will be an awesome experience for you, because on this course I put together all the techniques that I know that will work for shooting watches. And the last but not least news, there is a giveaway going on. We came with b&hphotovideo.com, our long-term partner, with an awesome prizes for you, over $4,500 total in prizes. It's free to enter, no purchase necessary. It runs through the November, and well, you still have time to do this. So enter it if you didn't do it yet. The link should be somewhere around this video. Okay, happy holidays, my friend. Goodbye. What the heck is this? Version. What did you say?